Hello and welcome back to our channel everyone. Today, we're embarking on a captivating journey through the history of one of the world's most renowned luxury brands, Gucci. Join us as we unravel the story of Gucci, from its humble beginnings to its status as a global fashion icon. The origins of Gucci. The tale of Gucci begins in Florence, Italy, in 1921, when Guccio Gucci founded the company. Guccio, with a background in the hotel industry, initially started by selling fine leather goods, primarily luggage and accessories. Growing into a luxury brand, Guccio's dedication to quality craftsmanship and his keen eye for fashion soon earned him a reputation for exceptional products. By the 1930s, Gucci had established itself as a luxury brand favored by the Italian aristocracy. The iconic Double G logo. The famous Double G logo was introduced in the 1930s and quickly became the symbol of Gucci's commitment to excellence. It represented Guccio Gucci's initials and echoed the company's dedication to producing fine leather goods. Gucci in the 1950s. The 1950s marked a significant era for Gucci. The brand introduced the bamboo handle bag, which remains an iconic accessory to this day. It was in this period that Gucci truly began to establish itself as a global luxury brand. The equestrian influence. Guccio Gucci's fascination with equestrian culture greatly influenced the brand's designs. The Horsebit loafer, inspired by the metal piece in horse bridles, became one of Gucci's most famous creations. The expansion beyond Italy. Gucci expanded beyond Italy and opened its first store in New York City in 1953. The brand's association with Hollywood celebrities further propelled its international reputation. The legendary Gucci bamboo bag. The Gucci bamboo bag, introduced in 1947, was a groundbreaking design that used a unique method to heat and mold bamboo handles. It became a symbol of innovation and craftsmanship. The 1960s and the iconic GG buckle. In the 1960s, Gucci unveiled another iconic creation, the GG buckle belt. The 196OS and the iconic GG buckle. In the 1960s, Gucci unveiled another iconic creation, the GG buckle belt. The death of Guccio Gucci. The passing of Guccio Gucci in 1953 marked a turning point for the company. His sons, Aldo, Vasco, and Rodolfo, took over the business, steering it through a period of expansion and innovation. The Gucci scarf. Gucci continued to diversify its offerings, introducing the iconic Flora silk scarf, designed for Grace Kelly. The scarf featured a delicate floral pattern and became a symbol of elegance. The iconic green and red stripe. The green and red stripe, inspired by horse bridles, became an iconic Gucci motif. It adorned accessories, luggage, and even clothing, instantly recognizable as a symbol of luxury. The Gucci loafer. The Gucci loafer, introduced in the 1960s, quickly gained fame for its comfort and style. It featured a golden snaffle bit, combining equestrian and luxury elements. The 1970s and the Gucci GG canvas. The 1970s brought the introduction of the Gucci GG canvas, a distinctive logo printed material. It became a hallmark of the brand and was used in various Gucci products. The emergence of ready-to-wear, Gucci expanded into ready-to-wear fashion during the 1970s, launching its first clothing collection. This marked a pivotal moment in the brand's evolution. The challenges and family disputes. The 1980s brought challenges for Gucci, including family disputes and changes in leadership. Internal conflicts led to a decline in the brand's image and reputation. Tom Ford and the Gucci revival. The 1990s saw a remarkable revival of Gucci under the leadership of creative director Tom Ford. Ford's provocative and daring designs breathed new life into the brand. Tom Ford's innovative approach introduced provocative advertising campaigns, the reintroduction of the iconic Double G logo, and the creation of the "It" bagged the Gucci Jackie. Gucci became part of the Gucci Group, which included brands like Yves Saint Laurent and Bottega Veneta. The group's expansion under the guidance of Domenico De Sole and Tom Ford further elevated Gucci's status. The legendary Gucci stores. Gucci's store design became legendary under Tom Ford, with distinctive features like black and white marble floors and a sensual ambience. These stores created a unique luxury shopping experience. The new millennium brought challenges for Gucci, including issues with counterfeit products and cultural controversies. Alessandro Michele and the Creative Revolution. In 2015, Alessandro Michele became Gucci's creative director and initiated a creative revolution. His eclectic, bohemian designs breathed fresh air into the brand. Alessandro Michele introduced iconic products like the Gucci Bloom fragrance and the Ace sneakers, both of which quickly became must-haves for fashion enthusiasts. Gucci's collaboration with street artist Trevor Andrew, known as Gucci Ghost, and the Guccification slogan exemplified the brand's embrace of modern culture. In recent years, Gucci has been proactive in social responsibility efforts, including a commitment to sustainability and philanthropy. Today, Gucci stands as a symbol of luxury, innovation, and enduring style. It's a brand that has transcended time and trends, leaving an indelible mark on the world of fashion. The history of Gucci is a tale of craftsmanship, innovation, and creativity. It's a brand that has evolved and thrived under different leaders, each contributing to its legendary status. If you found this exploration of the history of Gucci fascinating, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more captivating stories of fashion, culture, and iconic brands. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next video.